of the Rewind channel.
Thank you so much. Congratulations to everyone. Happy 20th anniversary. First question for Mavi, one of the newest members of PBB family. First, parang ushering a new era, no? Hosting talaga. And maraming hindi nag-expect na ikaw pala yung ipapakilala. So, what was your reaction when you were first invited or asked to do this as your next project? Did you have to go through an audition or nag-screening ba muna?
Actually, nag-audition ako. Kinulong ako sa bahay ni Kuya for 1 month. Joke lang. Actually, in-offer lang sa akin. I was offered this job. And of course, syempre, nagulat talaga ako. Because syempre, lahat naman tayo fan ng PBB. I also watched PBB growing up also. Syempre, yung last season na napanood ko actually was Alexa season eh. So, sakong-sakto nung sinabi nila na makakatrabaho ko si Alexa sa online hosting, sabi ko, yes kaagad because, of course, other than it's such an honor to do this job also, si Alexa ay kaibigan ko for the longest time. So, hit two birds with one stone. It's an honor to do PBB at the same time work with Alexa and together with these amazing hosts, mga ate at kuya ko. It's no-brainer talaga. I mean, who wouldn't say yes to this?
I love it. Gusto ko yung sinabi ni, hit two birds in one stone. Sabi ni, galing ni.
And I quote, maraming salamat to Mel.
Maraming salamat.
Yeah, thank you, Mavi. Additional question pala, ano na lang ang ine-expect mo with this new, kasi nga bago din siya sa'yo, although you had a show naman with your mom and your sister before, pero iba kasi to eh, kumbaga, solo ka na with Alexa, wala na with family.
Syempre look forward to doing this for the first time on my own. No? May pressure but at the same time, ayoko isipin yun because I want to give my best sa lahat mang audience, no, who's gonna watch PBB, no, and of course, I just look forward to getting to know the housemates, you know, and also lahat ng mga comments ng mga viewers ng PBB to get to know the environment, and of course, like what I mentioned, like what I said kanina, do my best to create a healthy space and a healthy environment for everyone.
Thank you, Mavi.
Thank you, maraming salamat.
Ma'am Shimelay, ang dami mong shows na ikaw naman ang host ngayon, di ba? And parang PBB yung isa sa nag-pave ng way talaga para maging host ka. So, anong level of parang work din and dedication yung ibibigay mo dito? Kasi nga, ang dami mo ng hosting projects, pero hindi ka pa rin nakakalimot kung saan ka nanggaling.
Anong level of
Dedication sa work.
100% dedication talaga, lalo na sa Pinoy Big Brother. Kasi syempre dito ako nagsimula, dito talaga ako nakilala. Pinilit talaga ng tadhana ng makilala ko. Kaya talaga, parang kumbaga utang na loob ko sa Pinoy Big Brother. Kahit na wala akong sweldo eh.
Ay, wow!
Okay daw, sabi ni Direk Loren, noted.
Siyempre, may mga kwan ka sa akin, may mga inaanak. So, i-dedicate ko talaga ang kwan ko, at saka naka-schedule na talaga ang Pinoy Big Brother for my heart and for this.
So, syempre, first time kang mapapanood sa GMA, no? Sabi nga ni VJ Ai kanina, paano kapag bigla kang pinapasok sa bahay ni Kuya? Game ka pa ba?
Parang hindi ko na kayang pumasok. Uy, kasi siyempre may mga anak tayo. Pero kung ipasok kaming pamilya, di okay lang.
Panuorin namin lahat yun.
Okay lang yun. Para makalibre kami ng bigas at saka makalibre na rin lahat. Kasi mahal na ng kuryente, mahal na rin ang kuhan. So, why not? Big Brother, sige na. Kasi ginawa namin hotel para magkaroon na rin kami ng staycation.
Uy, why not? Uy, binibigyan niyo si Marcos ng
Hindi,
idea.
give chance to other. Huwag tayong lagi na lang tayo pumapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. I-give chance to other kasi iba ang experience sa ilang milyon natin dito sa Pilipinas. Bihira lang kayong makapasok sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. So, give chance to other. Huwag naman puro tayo. Malay niyo, isa naman sa mga press ang makapasok. The Press Edition! Sino kaya ang mamumuna? At sino ang nakukulerat sa videohan? Sige, bibidyo na tayo kung ano yung mga update. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ma'am Shimele. Last question po for Direct Lauren. We know that this is a big milestone for both ABS, GMA, and the whole Philippine TV industry. So, how do you think po this collaboration will really, kumbaga, up the ante or big help for our industry?
Can you repeat the question? Belay, sagutin mo nga yun. Up the ante daw. O ano, the industry. Well, paano ba mahirap na tanong sa akin mo binigay?
Talaga diretso.
Groundbreaking siya eh. Diba? Anything groundbreaking creates a lot of opportunities. We're excited to note that a lot of brands are willing to partner with us because it's a collaboration of two very important media entities. So with that as well, we cannot really see the far future, but we know that a lot more possibilities that will contribute to the Philippine industry right now. Medyo, kasi ngayon, ang TV, challenge siya. Challenge siya by online, challenge siya by the other platforms na hindi necessary na sa Pilipinas, di ba? So, with the equity of Big Brother, at the same time, the collaboration of two entities na we're hoping that that will spark a new interest in free TV, and at the same time, syempre, based sa free TV, I'm sure sasanga-sanga na naman yan sa social media, but it will also signify that television is still here, free TV is still here. So we're very grateful to Channel 7 for allowing us to be in their platform on the 20th year of Big Brother. That's a great achievement, and even our format owner, the manager, is very, very happy with this collaboration.
Thank you so much, Direct Lauren, and congratulations po. in advance.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jimpy! Uy, pero excited ako, Ma'am Shimele. After ng collab edition, mag-Melason edition. Di ba? Buong family.
Staycation.
Huwag yun na lang para kayo makasumabog ang utak ni Big Brother na sobrang kulo ng bahay.
I think ang sasabog po utak si Jason. Tatlong melay na rin sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Maraming salamat, Jimpy. Okay, now let's go to our next friend from the media from Random Republica, Sandy Kagurangan.
Hello po, good afternoon. Ay, good evening na pala.
Yes,
Ayan.
hello.
So, good evening po.
Ang cute naman.
So, my question po is, ay, sorry po, ang liit. Tayo na lang po ako ah.
Cute kasi ng boses mo.
Ayan, so, my question po is from Miss Kate Adahar from Random Republica. So, question na po is for Miss Gabby. So, may nakita po kami photos niyo po before that you're auditioning po sa PBB. So, can you kwento some?
Oh, sure. I can make kwento. So, here's the kwento. Yes, I auditioned for PBB Teen Edition Season 4. The one where Myrtle won, I think, yes? Oo. So, ang nangyari nun, I've been such a fan of PBB. I grew up watching PBB to the point na kasi late night siya pinabalabas. Nagpapaalam ako sa parents ko na pwede po ba mag-extend ng bedtime so I can watch and finish the whole episode. So, when they announced on TV, so literally I was a kid watching the television. In my room, I saw PBB audition na meron. Pwede kang pumila, kahit sino. Niyaya ko na kagad yung mommy ko. Sabi ko, Mommy, I wanna line up and I wanna join. So I lined up. That was in Mall of Asia. It was such a long line. 5,000, I remember 5,000 auditionees that day. I was number 3,900 something. So I lined up from 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. the next day. Yes! Ganun siya ka-intense. For 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. the next day, and I had to go to school. Nakakaloka, pinapagalitan ako ng mommy ko. Pero kasi I really wanted talaga. I was so curious as a kid to see what's really going on inside the house. And luckily, I got in the first screening. On the second screening, it was here na, inside the Bahay of Kuya. Inside the Bahay of Kuya.
It's okay, you're making kwento.
I'm making kwento.
Okay.
Hindi na ako na-blessed na makapasok after that. And so today, it's such a full circle moment for me to be able to, audition how many years ago, and then right now, I'm standing in front of you as a host. It's such a full circle. Sitting
Actually,
pa na
sitting.
daw, sabi ni Rob. Pero ano, I'm so humbled and I'm so grateful for this opportunity. I'm thankful for the bosses, to the bosses of GMA, of ABS-CBN, for considering me to be part of this history. And I'm really excited to get to know all the housemates, to get to see the house. And abangan pa natin kung ano mangyayari sa akin sa takdang panahon. Hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari. Si Kuya na ang bahala.
Thank you so much
Thank
po and
you.
congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sandy.
All right, next up is Glenn Sibonga of Showbiz Bonga.
Ayan.
Glenn?
Good evening. Siyempre, harapan niya. Yan, siyempre congratulations sa bonggang-bonggang collab na ito. Ang tanong ko, para kay Bianca, kay Robby, kay Mele, at saka kay Alexa. Kasi siyempre, nauna na kayong pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya, di ba? So ano yung best advice na maibibigay nyo doon sa mga celebrity housemates na papasok? Bukod dun sa lagi na nating sinasagot na pagpapakatotoo. Sila Bianca.
Ako siguro ibabase ko sa naging mali ko nung housemate ako. Masyado ko ino-overthink lahat. Every little thing. Sobrang nandito ako sa ulo ko. Sinabihan pa ako ni Kuya ng, Bianca, gamitin mo ang puso mo. Huwag lang ang utak mo. Ganon. So, as hard as it is, mahirap man, try not to overthink. Kasi you really should just have fun because it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Yan, Robby.
Si Melay muna.
Ako naman, sinabihan ako ni Big Brother, Melay, gamitin mo utak mo. Huwag ang puso. Brother, hindi ako nag-iisip. Charing lang.
Pero ginamit mo rin yung puso mo doon,
Kaya,
sa loob.
Yes! Siya ang nagwagi.
Correct.
Hindi siguro, aside sa pagkatotoo, lagi din sinasabi namin ito mag-enjoy. Kasi syempre celebrity sila, di ba? I'm sure 24 hours yung trabaho. Alam mo yung halos everyday yung trabaho nila. Ikuan nila ito, i-reset nila yung utak nila na para silang nag-retreat, nagbakasyon, di ba? Para sila nagkaroon ng self-time, me time sa sarili nila. And getting to know to self-time? Ano ba yung
Me time.
Okay, I'm now signing off. So, nagpagkaroon sila ng me time kasi mindset lang yan i-mindset mo lang sarili mo. Huwag mong i-mindset na para kang nagkompetisyon talaga. Huwag na huwag yan, very no-no yan. Kasi dyan ka talaga yan ang ikakaibig mo. Basta mag-enjoy and i-treat mo yung sarili mo doon sa loob na para talagang, talaga. In-action ko na, tayo na ba? Nanintindihan nyo naman ako. Robby?
Alexa.
Sige po.
Alexa.
I think halos pare-pareho din po kami ng maa-advise. Para naman po sa akin, siguro not to strategize too much. Yun po yung napansin ko kasi tuwing nakakanood ako at sa recent din and pati nung edition ko po, parang para sa mga taong nag-strategize, who try to calculate their moves, it just doesn't work as well as being your true self talaga or just letting things flow. And pati yung pakikitungo kasi sa ibang tao, medyo nagiging, yun nga, parang medyo calculated or a little staged. And people know it. People can sense when it's genuine. And people, they can, like what Gabby said, they can see through you din eh. So, just don't strategize too hard. Para din, syempre po, ma-enjoy mo yung journey. Because it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to say that you went in as a housemate sa pinakasikat na bahay sa buong mundo, sa buong bansa. So, don't ruin your fun by strategizing too hard. Kasi at the end of the day, may mananalo naman talaga at matatalo. But winner ka pa din kasi na-experience mong maging housemate.
At minsan it's up to the people din na nanonood.
Yes, no matter how hard you try to calculate things, nasa tao pa rin talaga kung ano yung perception nila sa'yo, kung tatanggapin ka nila or hindi. So, leave it up to fate na talaga. Yan po.
Go, Robby.
Ako, simple lang. Magambag ka. Kasi, yung ibang mga celebrities or yung ibang mga housemates actually, isipin nila, paano kung hindi ako marunong magluto? Paano kung hindi ako marunong maglaba? Di ba? Dami-dami yung mga household chores dyan. Maglinis ka, maghugas ka ng pinggan. Kasi lalong-lalo for this edition ng PBB, everyone's a celebrity, yes. Pero you are a celebrity and also your housemate together with other people. So makisama ka at magbigay ka ng sarili mo ambag.
Paano naman pagdating sa love life at saka sa paglilink?
Sorry?
Sa linking, sa loob ng bahay. Kasi every edition laging may nalilink o, di ba? Unang-una na dyan, syempre si Melay na napangasawa niya.
Yun! Strategy ba yun?
Actually, ngayon ko lang aaminin sa inyo. It was all a show.
Pagkatapos niya magkaanak.
Sorry, hindi pa na show. So, yung link, yung mga link.
Oo, syempre yung pumapag-ibig sa loob
Actually,
ng
yung mga
bahay.
pag-ibig talaga, hindi mo na mapipigilan yan. Kung ang puso mo na talaga nagsalita doon.
Yes.
Kasi kahit, di ba, tayo naman talaga magsasabi talaga na yan, Ate B, di ba, tayo talaga makakaroon yan. Kasi pag kunwari, kayo lang sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, talagang hindi mo mapipigilan ang puso mo na ma-inlove talaga. Kasi four corners. hindi mo, kasi siyempre kayo lang nasa loob, kahit kayo siguro, ipasok kayo talagang, alam mo yung, makikita nyo yung good side ng tao, na kahit sa iba parang bad side, pero parang parang good dito. Di ba? So, si Lord lang din nakakaalam niyan.
Si Ate B na na-link din noon.
Yes, yun nga yung sasabihin ko, sinabi ko lang sa kanila.
Casey, di ba?
Napakahirap pigilan talaga. Sobra. Imagine, kung may type ka sa loob ng bahay, tapos mula pagkagising sa umaga, tapos bago ka matulog sa gabi, nakikita mo, tapos bibigyan ka pa ng mga tasks na parang mapapalapit ang loob nyo sa isa't isa. Si Alexa may mga experience din dito.
Yes, susunod na siya.
It's hard. It's hard. Lalo na kung nagpapakatotoo ka lang. I mean, it's something na masasabi ko now, looking back 19 years ago, dami ko natutunan and it only made me stronger. So, hindi kasalanan ma-in love, except you have to pay the consequences kung meron man. Yun lang.
Pero kung may crush ka sa loob ng bahay kayo, huwag mo nang ipakaramdam kay Big Brother. Kay bakit?
Makikita din niya. Alam niyo yung nakakatulong din, yung pagdukso ng mga housemates.
Correct.
Minsan yun ang sumapag-isip ka, nga no, kahit ganyan.
Gusto ko ba talaga siya?
Pero ito lang ang masasabi ko, mapipigilan mo pa yung utot, pero yung pag-inlove mo, yung pagka-inlove mo, hindi mo mapipigilan sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Totoo!
24 hours ka makikita ni Big Brother na gumagano ka pag nakatingkas ka sa housemate, gano'n ka.
Correct.
Ay!
Talangin ka.
Kinabukasan, may task na kayong dalawa.
Uy, ilabas mo na yan. Huwag mong pigilan.
Alexa,
Yes po.
naging kalab team mo pa ngayon.
Yes, pero I think yung naiba po sa amin kasi ni Katie, hindi siya plinano sa loob. I mean, it's not something we saw coming then as two individuals. Wala kaming gusto sa isa't isa nun sa loob ng bahay. As in, ate nga ate pa nga
Yes, true.
Ate mo noon, ano ngayon?
Nung inibig, tinanong ko si Alexa, ate, tapos paglabas, parang more than ate na.
I guess we had time to actually process things, realize things, look back at things, and then that's where you realize na, oh, okay. So I think my kwento is a bit different from theirs kasi mas sa outside world na po kami. But thanks to the house, I met him. So, yes.
From ate to aking.
Ayan, si Robin lang yata ang, meron ba na-link sa'yo?
Si Yosef. Si Yosef Elizalde. Yun ang nalig sa akin. Kami yung BFF.
Kasi kontrado kayo eh,
Pero
pero Ateneo and Lasal.
Oo, Ate Lasal, during my edition. Pero yung totoo nun kasi, darating yung moment na pati yung mga panaginip mo, mga housemates mo na rin. Ganun siya. Everyone can attest to that, di ba? Kasi sila lang na yung kita mo eh. So yun ang mundo mo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Proximity, parang you get attached to people because of the proximity.
Thank you so much.
Di, tsaka mahirap ma-inlove dun sa edition nyo kasi may parents, di ba?
Na-inlove yung parents actually.
May kasama, di ba, napapasok sa bahay, napanood ko yun. Kinder ako, pinapanood ko.
Oh, ay, ganun katagal. So, hindi pa ako pinapanak naman yan. Ay,
Bless ka na kay Roy.
Grabe ka. Kinder.
Hindi, napanood ko yun. Mahirap na malink dun kasi may parents. Iba-iba talaga yung pasabog per
Every edition.
Kaya excited na ang lahat for this. Okay,
Yes.
let's go to our next friend from the media. From Stars Photog, Mr. Alan Sancon.
hello.
Good evening, everyone. Congratulations. We're so excited for this collab. I just want to ask Gabby and Mavi. Kasi you're a great actor, you're a great host dun sa mga previous project niya sa GMA. And now you're on PBB, di ba? Pero how do you prepare for this? Kasi this is a different kind of hosting, di ba? Para ma-capture nyo yung hearts ng mga audience. Kasi iba rin ang audience ng PBB, di ba? Iba yung audience sa awards night or sa TV, di ba? This time, how do you prepare para ma-capture nyo yung hearts ng mga audience sa PBB?
Well, I feel like it's also the same as being a housemate. I will study until maka-research ako sa kung anong pwede kong gawin, but at the same time, I don't want to plan things so much. I don't want to strategize that much. I just want to be myself when I host PBB. I want to be as authentic as possible. And ayun, gusto ko lang din magpakatotoo as a host. So I don't want to be pressured na kailangan ko sundan si ganito. I want to be myself. So yun po. And of course, I've been doing my share also. I've been learning so much. I've been doing my research, learning from my mentor, Tito Boy, from my co-host, kay Ate Bianca, kay Robbie, kay Melay, and kay Alexa. So, ayun, I just wanna let things unfold naturally for me.
Thank you. Melvin.
Nice answer, Gabby. Grabe. Hirap mag-follow up dun. Pero, totoo yung sinabi ni Gabby. I just want to let things naturally unfold, no? But besides that, syempre, I think it's just getting to know different types of personalities, no? So, nagbabasa din ako, like, online, of course, mga libro, and I have may pinsan kasi ako na nag-graduate sa BS Psychology. So, I want to get to know the different types of personalities, but nagkakaroon ng ganung type of personality, why does this certain occasion happen, so that when I get to, not really judge, but to get to know the housemates, no, with Alexa, I get to say the proper terms. You know, that's so important nowadays, no? Kung bakit sila naging ganito or whatsoever, para lang maging proper lahat. So yan yung naging preparation ko for this hosting.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.